Thank you very much, Sterling. Once again, my name is Dean Gonzalez with dotCMS, and I'd like to show you how, in addition to what Sterling showed on the Monsido account and also on the front end dashboard, I'd like to show you how to do the integration with dotCMS so that from back end pages you can see that same valuable information and data on your web accessibility and management. So let's go ahead and log into the back end of dotCMS, and I'll show you how to configure the integration. So if we log into demo.dotcms.com, our starter site, which is up 24 hours a day, resets at 12 a.m. and 12 p.m. Eastern time, we can see that if we come here to the site browser and we go to a specific page. Now this page has, you have to have your account and is already indexed, and we try to deploy the Monsido plugin here on the back end, we would not be able to just automatically access back end pages. It doesn't come integrated out of the box, but you see just how easy this is. You would step into your browser, go to whatever theme that all of your templates for a specific site are using. I'm going to go into this travel theme on the starter site. And all of our themes are composed of 4 basic files. It's really easy to install a theme and implement any framework you wish. And we want to load a very small piece of JavaScript into the template VTL, because the template VTL basically calls the footer, the header, and the HTML head, and and it also has the ending body tag, and we want to place this little integration script here right in the template VTL, right above the ending body tag. So we just open up this file that all of our themes would have, and right here before the ending body tag, we're going to stick first. I want to show you the script, the raw script. So this is the raw script without any kind of dotCMS enhancement. It needs to be passed in this script the current page that you are on and also the name of the domain, right? So those two things. Now, we want this code to be dynamic, and anytime any page loads, it will automatically load the page itself. So we want to replace that / index or / whatever page with a little bit of code, which if you look on dotCMS documentation and you just search page content, which is what I just did, it shows you the page content and velocity. So anytime you want to get the property of a page, like in this case, the URL, we can do that dynamically, right? So I'm going to get that dynamically and paste that into the code that needs to be passed to Monsido to be able to be recognized. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste this little bit of code right here. The only thing I've changed is the .pagecontent.url, which will dynamically recognize whatever page I'm on and load that at the end of my domain, right? We could even do host.hostname for this variable, but no need for this example. The second thing I'd like to do to this code is if we go to any page in dotCMS, if we go to any page such as our index page, there's an edit mode, there's a preview mode, and a live mode. And anytime you activate the Monsido extension, it's going to reload the page, and that will automatically be, like in this case, in preview mode. So I'm going to add some code here just to show you how to load that only in preview mode. So you would just simply do, for any of those modes while you're editing a back-end page, you can say, if it's preview mode, then go ahead and run this script, or you could run it every time that you run it, and then just simply end the if statement in velocity, which is just a # and an end, right? So we're just going to take that code, we're going to load it right into that template VTL we were just looking at right here, right before that ending div for the body. So I'm just going to paste that code right here and tab it in and save and publish, right? So now whenever I go to any dotCMS page, I should be able to automatically log in, hit my Monsido extension. It will load find that script, and now you can see it is loading all of the data, the same as on the front end page that Sterling was nice enough to show us. All of that valuable accessibility data and SEO governance is available to us on any page. So I can then click on really any of my back-end pages. So I could go to, my travel blogs and, ecotourism in Costa Rica on the demo site. And now I'm loading that data for that demo page that I just hit on the starter. So very, very easy to integrate and customize this Monsido extension and get all of this valuable information on the back end of dotCMS.